What's good, everybody? Today I have a special video for you. We're going to be unboxing the Alienware Pro wireless gaming headset. I was super excited when I saw these. Basically, they don't look like gamer headphones, which I like. They have, what was it? I want to say it was graphene drivers. So apparently they sound really good. I watched... His name was Tech Gadgetry on YouTube, and he did a very in-depth review on these. And like, you should check him out. He's gonna do a better job explaining the intricacies of, you know, the sound profile and all that. I'm going to be doing what's in the box, how I feel compared to. I just had a pair of Sony XM4s. I liked them. I didn't love them for gaming specifically. And the other thing was the headband on the XM4s started to really affect the top of my head, which would give me headaches. And we're talking, you know, I'd be playing for 2 hours and I'm starting to get a headache. I did have a pair of Astro A50s before the Sonys, and I really liked those, but they were, you know, were having some connectivity issues and stuff, so it was time to upgrade. And while I was in that in-between period trying to be honest with you, instead of these, I was going to get the Fractal Scapes, but they still haven't released them. And these kind of fit the profile of what I was looking for. And, you know, supposedly they were designed with esports people and blah, blah, blah. I didn't care about that. I like the way that these look. They don't look super gamer. The only real, you know, Alienware thing on it is on the ear cup, and it's not super noticeable. And then the mic is removable, which I liked. I'm not going to be using that mic. I have a Fi-Fine mic that I use for streaming and gaming, so that's negligible. I'll probably never even use it, or maybe for like proximity chat. But anyway, enough of me rambling. We're going to go ahead and get into it. I will have all my peripherals and everything on my Amazon storefront, so if you're interested in anything you see, leave a comment. Worst case, if it's not on my Amazon storefront, I can link it to you. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And that was kind of satisfying. All right, anyway, let's get into it. Wow. Look at that. 50 millimeter drivers, 20 to 40 hertz. Kilohertz, 20 hertz to 40 kilohertz. Bluetooth, super light. I think these actually come in lighter than the Sony XM4s, which I like. I think that the Astros are lighter, but then again, they're all plastic. These are not fully plastic. I believe this part right here is metal, but we'll get into that. So let's go and crack that open. Ooh. Oh goodness. Oh good heavens. Does it slide out the bottom? I don't understand that sign. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got it. Yo, alright. I like. They're a little bigger than I thought they were going to be. This is pretty fancy. What the heck is this? Yeah, that's pretty neat. So they don't shimmy around. Ooh, those are light. Yep, this is metal right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. These are metal. They had them in this little plastic thing. Oop, we got a little goodie box. Let's see what we got. Just bear with me. Sorry, the first time doing the recording on this little mini tripod, so. All right, we got the sticker, we got the little books. I'm not gonna read that, because who reads? I joke at my job that I can't even read. So we got our dongles right here, USB-C, and we got the regular USB. Oh, no, that's just a conversion, so guess we're gonna have to go USB-C, which is fine. That's kind of neat. You know, if you have a USB-C port on your computer, you know, perfect for you. The mic looks cool. I'll go ahead and plop that in. Oh, see, I thought it was a USB-C mic. It's not. This is pretty neat though, nice little pop filter. But let's go ahead and plop that in there so you guys can see it, what it looks like. All right, that's with the mic on. Okay. The leatherette feels pretty good. So does, ooh, this feels nice. I think this is metal right here, but this is plastic. Not sure. I mean, this is definitely metal right here. The Alien, which feels pretty good actually. All right, so got that. Okay, got the mic out. Is there anything else in the box we need to look at? Okay, we got the charge cable in here. Here we go. Nothing fancy. It does not match the device, so mine's not white, it's a black one. So that's neither here nor there. I don't really care about that. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and put this off to the side. Cool little sticker, put that out here. I don't know if you guys are like me, but with stickers, it could sit there forever, and I may never put it on something because I get anxiety of like, oh, do I want to use my sticker on this thing? Yeah, I ended up putting a bunch of stickers on my iPad case, and then I don't use that iPad case anymore, so it is what it is. Anyway, all right, so let's go ahead and we'll plop these on head and see how they feel. Got a decent bit of range. Wow, you could have a big old cranium with these. Whoa, that's pretty large, pretty large. Okay, cool. Let me put them on my head. We'll see how they feel, and spin the camera around. I don't know what this is. 5.0, maybe 50 millimeters. I was wondering what the design was in the band, but they feel pretty cushy. They're not too hard. They're actually quite soft. There is some metal bits right up to like here, so that I don't know how that's gonna feel. So yeah, I'll go ahead and try them on, and I'll flip the camera on. Yo. Dude, they're pretty light. I'm actually pretty surprised. And they are pretty noise isolating. Like, obviously they're not on and I don't have the active noise canceling on. One thing Tech Gadgetry did say is when you use these on Bluetooth with active noise canceling, it cuts out some of the bass. And that was another thing, is like, I like to listen to music while I'm gaming and stuff. And he said that when you use them with, your receiver, the bass on these sounds great. Music sounds fantastic. Gaming is obviously awesome. So I'm really excited to, try them out and then get back with you guys and let you know what my opinions are on the Alienware Pro headset. All right, y'all. I've been using the Alienware Pro headset for a minute now. I've been playing Marvel Rivals, Fortnite, World of Warcraft, listening to music, and I do have to say, I'm blown away. Sound quality is fantastic. Like, the graphene 50mm drivers sound incredible. The headset's super light. I've done multiple gaming sessions where I was, 3, 4, 5 hours. I forgot that I was even wearing them. The only thing that, and it might just be a me issue, is my ears get warm after a really long time. These are leatherettes, so they do kind of get a little bit warmer. Not hot. They're fantastic. Absolutely. That is my one disclaimer. I still haven't had to charge them, so that's another huge plus. My Astros, I would have to charge after every single gaming session, and that's super annoying. But I'm going to show you, you do get Dolby Atmos access for these, which I went and enabled. And I do have to say, the first time hearing a game with these on, I was like, whoa. I didn't even realize there was all these subtle noises, even in World of Warcraft, which is not a game that's known for its audio quality. It's known for its orchestral music and stuff like that, but not while you're playing the game. But I'm telling you, I heard birds and stuff that I never heard before, which I thought was super cool. But I'm going to show you guys the Dolby Atmos real quick and show you what settings I've been using so that you guys can set it up yourself. I did follow Gadgetry Tech because what he was using, I think he's fantastic. I highly recommend you guys look him up, and he had some interesting settings that were different, and I also have his custom config in here so I can show you guys. So when I've been gaming, Let's see, is it gonna, okay, perfect. So when I've been gaming, I was using the gain and balanced, and it sounded fantastic. Like I didn't need to change anything. But what Gadgetry did is he went into the custom, and I made it my custom too, and he just fine-tuned it. So I copied what he did. He turned off surround virtualization, volume leveler, and y'all, this, like, I mean, there is no one size fits all for EQ, because, you know, depending on what you're doing, if you're listening to music, you're listening to, you know, you're watching a movie or whatever it may be, there's different things. But so far, this has been just like an all-rounder fantastic. Like since I changed to what his custom EQ was, I've just left it. Like this is fantastic. I need to listen to more music specifically, but I did listen to music on the music and on game, and the bass is bumping. Like I'm super happy with these headphones. Absolutely worth it. Now I did get mine on sale. They were $200. They normally retail for $230 US, but still, even at that price, absolutely worth it. I love that they're not super, you know, gamer. They're not RGB. You know, you can walk around with these on and nobody's gonna be like, "You're a quack." You know, I like that it's a USB-C mic. That's cool. It's a boom mic. I took mine out. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not a USB-C mic. It's an aux plug-in. It's a USB-C charger. The one other thing that I do have to say is the noise canceling on these is not great. It's good. It's fine, but it's not anything compared to like the Sony XM4s, which, you know, they did have best-in-class noise canceling. And personally, I don't know about y'all, but I've used noise canceling and it honestly gives me headaches after a little while. And it's because like something with you have little hairs in your ear and it's vibrating them, and it can cause other symptoms. Like you can get nauseous, you can get vertigo. And so I just don't really use it anyway, but just letting you guys know. Also, I'll have the link in the description and in my bio for this headset stand. And I may even do a review of it. Let me know what you guys think. But I like the gloss on it. Looks pretty cool. I mean, it's a great stand for the headphones. The headphones are beautiful, so I wanted to display them. So I have them off to the side of my desk, like that. You know, say hi to Ninja. What's up, Ninja? Anyway, so that's the video. It's been a pleasure. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I do stream on at least 2 or 3 times a week, mostly on the weekends or Friday, but make sure you follow my Twitch. It's Stolen Shade. I also stream to YouTube as well. At the same time, I do restream. And yeah, so if you enjoy the content, make sure you stick around. And I do giveaways. I play, right now I've been playing Marvel Rivals, Fortnite, World of Warcraft, Black Ops 6, and I do play with viewers. So, you know, if you're interested in hanging out and just, you know, catching some kills and just having good times and laughing and just playing with people, you know, because I don't really like playing with randos, because, you know, you get like people that are like basement dwellers that never go outside and don't know how to talk to another human. So yeah, anyway, it's been a pleasure. Y'all have a great one. Later.